Hey, good evening, everyone. This is Holly, Jenny's sister. You might have seen me in some videos before when I do estate sales with Jenny. Obviously, because of the pandemic, there is not your normal estate sales going on right now. Because if you've ever been to an estate sale, you know it's kind of hard to social distance when you're all crammed into a house going through someone's stuff. So probably about a month ago, the app we use for it is estatesales.net. I noticed they've been having a couple online auctions. None of my usual auction people were holding them, but I did see a couple places were trying. I looked at a couple, but nothing really piqued my interest. But last week I was kind of bored and I was looking at them again, and there was one that's in this town that was near us. So I went through. So what they do is it's still on estatesales.net. And they'll hold an online auction for 7 days, and they have pictures of the lots, and you have your starting. They start a starting bid. Like one that I did was started at $3. So you have 7 days. If you're outbid, you get an email, and then once it all ends, you have to set up a pickup time. So these sales ended Tuesday night, and you could pick up either Thursday or Saturday. So I scheduled a pickup time for Thursday at 6:10. And I was going to do some video when I picked it up, but didn't really happen. So this one you picked up at the house where the stuff was at. Well, it was in the country, in this row, and they said, stay off your phones, pay attention, because it's a narrow road, and it was. So it was a little nerve-wracking. It was the very last house on this country road that was narrow. It was we're in Missouri, so there's kind of some hills and cliffs sometimes. So it was a very hilly, cliffy area. So when you get to the house, they have the front marked off because people picking furniture. So you kind of had they had this small round dirt area that you could park. But one of the buyers had a big old truck with a trailer. Apparently he bought a lot of furniture. Well, he was taking up almost the whole entire this whole entire road. So I had to just park haphazardly and hope no one would hit my car. So anyway, so it needs to say, since I wasn't happy where I was parked, I had to hurry and get my stuff. So they had a lady in the front asking what time your pickup time was, and I said 6:10 and told her my name, and she said, okay, you can come up. They were all wearing masks, and another person went in the house and brought my stuff out. So I quickly loaded my stuff in my car, and I'm on my way home now. So I bid on 3 different lots. One was a box full of photo albums. And the only reason I bid on this one, because in the picture you could see on the very top was this shiny gold photo album, which I had the whole vintage look to it. And if you watch any of other Jenny's videos, she also repurposes a lot of paper products to make scrapbooks and stuff. So I was like, I'm going to get this for Jenny. I'm sure she could do something with it. So that lot is actually the biggest box I got. And no one else bid on it. I got it for $3, which was the starting bid. My second box it's a smaller box, but it's playing cards, regular playing cards. So that one I had a little bidding war all week that I was watching. I think I ended up getting it for I think it was $16. It was a little more than I wanted, but I haven't bought anything forever, so I was just determined I'm getting this box of playing cards, which whatever. So I have a whole box for $16. And then my third one is a vintage Vanity set, like a celluloid one. I also had a bid against someone for that, and I ended up getting that for $12. And I'm really happy with that one because out of all the vintage Vanity sets I've seen at estate sales, this has the most pieces. So I'm super pumped that I only got it for $12. That one is definitely going to be kept for my personal collection, whereas the playing cards and the photo albums I'll give to Jenny, if she wants to sell them or whatever, that's up to her. But I'm keeping the vintage celluloid set. So I'm driving home now, so as soon as I get home, I will show you all 3 lots that I got. There is another estate sale online one going on now. that just started. So I think it has a couple more days, and there's a couple Christmas items I'm watching. So we'll see if I end up bidding on any of that stuff, and I might have to make a trip next week to pick that up. So it's not like, when it's not a pandemic season, you know, we could do like 5 estate sales on a Saturday. Well, there's not a bunch of online estate sales. There's really literally only like 1 or 2 going on right now. And since you have to drive where you want to pick them up, I'm not going to bid on one, you know, I'm not going to do an auction that's too far away. So, so hopefully we'll see if I do the one for next week or not. So anyway, I will talk to you in a couple minutes when I get home, and I'll show you the goodies I got from this online estate sale. All right, I'm back home, and here's the 3 lots I got. This is the photo album lot, this is the playing card lot, and that is the celluloid vanity. So let's look at the photo album one first. So this one was only $3, and I got it for this gold album because I totally thought Jenny would love that. So that's pretty cool. All right, this one looks like a newer one. All right. Oh, there's another old one. Nice mustard yellow. You guys remember the sticky page photo albums and stuff before they all went inserting kind? There's another vintage one. That's pretty cool. That's just a box with nothing in it. Let's put those back. Alright, so this side looks like photo frames. It's an old photo frame. There's a little one. Just a broken one. No glass in that one. Just a bunch of small ones. So for $3, that's not bad. I would have paid $3 just for the gold album by itself. So this will go to Jenny's tomorrow. Hopefully she likes it. All right, the next one was the playing card box. I did pay a little bit more for this. Like I said, what was it? I think it was $16. But you know, I wanted it, so probably more than I would have paid for it at a regular estate sale. But I knew for sure I was going to get the photo album one and that one, so I was like, oh, you know, I'm already making a trip. Might as well get something else, right? All right, so here we have some fruit ones. Kuriko, I have no idea how to pronounce that. This is a bridge scorecard. Another bridge scorecard. There's some flower ones. Chem plastic playing cards. It's interesting. Standard ones. If they have the hole in it, doesn't that mean they were from a casino? Oh yeah, so these were from Harrah's, St. Louis. That's a casino in St. Louis. Or was. I don't think there's a Harrah's anymore. I think it was bought out by something else, but I'm not an expert. There's some Jamaica Delta Airline ones. That's pretty neat. Puppy dog ones. Some cat ones. Some more old ones. Poco Torino. Oh, I guess these are from Mexico. Oh, hold on a minute. Let's open it. Hold on a second. They have, oh, that's neat looking. I like that. Old cards. Bobby's birthday. So I guess they got some special cards made for someone's birthday. That's neat. Crossword lexicon. What is in there? Just more. Huh. Is that a game? Those are cards with letters on it? I'll have to read what that is. It is a new card game craze. Never heard of that. Uno. Why does that say Uno 99? Another family card game from Uno. I have never heard of that. Never been opened. Some plastic chips. More cards. More cards. More cards. More cards. Pretty cool. I don't know. I think I'm happy with that. I don't have a problem paying $16 for that. Some neat cards in there. I might keep this one instead of giving it to Jenny. I like that. Alright, here's what I really wanted. The Vanity set. Okay, so I think this would be the powder. I don't know what they put in that one. I don't know if that was one that they put the hair in. I'm not really for sure. Please let the mirror not be broken. Oh, looks like it's got some damage there. Got some damage there. But other than that, it's pretty. The tray looks a little warped. Yeah, it's not quite flat. Oh, that's a razor blade. Gotta be careful there. Scissors. Oh, that's the top. No, that is not a top. I don't know what that goes. Maybe, I guess there's a missing bottle. Who knows where that goes to? Those don't belong. That doesn't belong. Don't think that belongs. Pretty neat. I like that. I think I paid $12 for that. And then I didn't know it was coming in this old wooden shelf, filing shelf, but that's neat. Alright, so here are my stuff that I won at an online estate sale. So overall, I think I'm very happy with what I got. Definitely worth the trip to pick this stuff up. So thank you for watching.